Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect Riot Games to YouTube. So to start, open YouTube app, then go to your profile at the bottom right, then go to settings at the top right, then scroll down and go to connected apps. Then scroll down from here and look for Riot Games and click on connect beside it. Then click connect once more.
Welcome back to Jew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
And enter your Riot Games account. So I just pick sign in with Google. I'm gonna pick my email in here. Just click on continue and wait for it to finish. And as you can see, we're now connected. So just click on got it, go back and reload the page. Let's go back to connected apps and let's double check. So we're now connected. So as you can see, Riot Games account is now connected to YouTube. And that's it. Thank you for watching.